It's a program where students are able to get classroom instruction, but also get some hands-on learning experience through work-based learning, through simulation. We are exposing students to careers, education in the criminal justice field. It's a comprehensive program that focuses on academics. They're able to get college credit and get kind of an early start in that arena if they choose to go on to college. We start the program off with students learning the laws. They learn about the history of our criminal justice system, kind of how did our law enforcement first begin here in the United States of America. Then we transition over into a little more forensic science and crime scene investigation. So that's when they are learning about different types of evidence.
Well, I always was really interested in crimes and like how serial killers thought. So I originally entered this program thinking that I wanted to do something with forensic psychology, but then my love went more towards forensic science.
They are learning how to collect evidence. They learn about chain of custody, which is very important when we're talking about evidence collection. And then we transition into our court part of the program. We are looking at our court system, the structure, kind of who are the courtroom players, the stages of the criminal trial.
So Teen Court is an awesome experience we get in the second year of the program. It's a youth diversion program where we get to hear real cases and make deliberations, and we get to be different members. It's just an awesome experience to get like real world experience.
We close the program out with learning and discussing correction, so learning the difference between prisons and jails, learning about reentry, learning about recidivism, and what do those facilities look like. So it kind of exposes you to all of these things while you're currently still in high school. And you don't have to necessarily wait until after graduation, after you leave high school, to start working in the field, because when we go on our field trips, when we go out into industry and we're doing job shadows or career days with the Superior Court or with Department of Public Safety, we're partnering with Scottsdale Police Department, we're partnering with different agencies in the criminal justice field. They're already gaining exposure and applying some of the classroom knowledge, the instruction that I provide to them. They're able to apply it to the real world when they do these job shadows and see it from that perspective. If you're looking for a place to learn more about criminal justice, this is the place for you.